Creative Kidz.
Wheels on the train go round and around, chugging through the town, making a happy sound. The whistle blows loud and the engine's proud. All the kids wave as it rolls around. Doors on the train, they open and close, bringing smiles, as everyone knows. Passengers board with bags in tow. Off we go where the rivers flow. Choo-choo, the train is on its way, through the hills and down the bay. Choo-choo, the train will shout hooray, all aboard for a fun-filled day. Lights on the train, they blink and flash, speeding fast in a mighty dash. Tracks lead us to places steep and vast. Every stop is a new place to bask. Windows on the train, they slide up and down. Cool breezes blow as we roam the town. Look outside, see the fields so brown, rolling past as the sun goes down. Choo-choo, the train is on its way,